So nested if statement means I have drawn one diagram here as a syntax. If you see, one if statement is there, inside that another if statement is there. That is nothing but nested if statements here. Okay, if the condition true, I have one more condition, I'll check inside the one more condition, that's all. Here in else if ladder what we were done, one if one condition is not satisfied, I'll be adding one more condition. Here if one condition is satisfied, again I'm having one more condition, I'll be adding that inside this. Okay, can I add this nested if statement? Can I add this nested if statement inside any of these if statement? Yes, of course. Nested if means what? One if statement will be written inside the another if statement. So you can write another this, you can write inside this, you can write inside the else block also one more if statement. Anywhere you can write the if statement inside a method. Okay, hope you guys got a clarity on this. Okay, please write one example, and if you are not getting much clarity on the nested if statements, comment below so that I'll explain it one more time very clearly. Okay, I hope you guys understood this nested if statements. So please write one example for this nested if statement here. Okay, so you can convert this multiple if statements also one if nested if statement here, multiple nested if blocks you can create. Okay, so try to do it and comment below. Okay, if you are not able to understand any of the concept, comment below. Definitely I'll help you to guide in a more easy way.